that we will be leveraging your current skills and current academic background to break into product management, because product management is more of a generalist kind of role in which we can leverage your industry experience and everything to break into the same. Stuti, no, you won't be getting PPT. PPT won't be shared. Nothing will be shared, guys. So if you guys want to take notes, feel free to do that. No, Dhanvadhari. No, that's not mandatory. Yeah, Dhanesh, we will be learning about these skills later. Okay, so this is clear to folks. Let's move and let's proceed. Next thing is, what are the several reasons why product management is crucial in any organization? What are the several reasons why product management is crucial in any organization? Yes, Swayam, you can do that. So, first thing first is because of customer focus. As a product manager, your primary stakeholder in the company, or for the company, is customer. Primary stakeholder for everyone in the company is customer, but as a product manager, you're responsible for understanding the customer needs and translating those needs into product requirements. you know Everyone who is working in the company at the end of the day is solving problem for the customers, but as a product manager, you take up that ownership and you're responsible for understanding customers needs and making sure that you're translating them into the product requirements so that your product is building correct solutions for that, right? So you ensure that the product that you're creating meet the customer needs and provide value to the customer as well. So guys, if you're someone who likes to solve problem for the customers, who is coming from a similar role, probably product management is correct for you. Then moving ahead, the next thing that comes into the picture is revenue generation, right? Products are the primary source of revenue for most of the companies, correct? So for example, Google search engine is there, that is a product. That is primary source of revenue for Alphabet as a company. Similarly, Chat GPT is a primary source of revenue probably for OpenAI as a company. Or if we talk about hardware products, Apple is the company. This MacBook is a primary source of revenue as a product, or this phone or this watch is the primary source of revenue for Apple as a company, right? So in most cases, products are the primary source of revenue for the companies, and product managers are the ones who are responsible for ensuring that the products are profitable and contributing to the company's bottom line. Then the next thing is that strategic planning. As a product manager, you are responsible for developing and executing the product strategies that align with the company's overall goals and vision. As we earlier talked, you have to figure out what you are building, why you are building, whom are you building this for, all the strategies that comes into the picture for this. When you have to understand better about the market, about the competition, about the technology trends, about your customers, that is about strategic planning, right? As a product manager, you're also involved in a lot of strategic planning side of things. Then the next thing is cross-functional collaboration. We already talked about this. As a product manager, you have to work with multiple stakeholders on daily basis to make sure that the product roadmap and product vision that you have taken is being built correctly. And you work very closely with across the organization, whether that is your engineering team, design team, sales team, marketing team, business team, to make sure that the product is being developed correctly and launched successfully as well. Then my favorite point why I came into product management is innovation. As a product manager, you're responsible for identifying the new opportunities in the market and then developing innovative solutions for that meet customer needs and differentiate your company from its competitors as well. So, while I was working on my own startups, I realized that this is a role that is very similar to that, where I can innovate with my solutions as well and actually provide some value to the customers. So guys, just to sum it up, product management is a critical function that drives the success of companies by ensuring that the product meet customer needs, generate revenue for the company, and align with company's overall goals and vision as well. So guys, if everything is clear so far, if everything is good to go, quickly drop good to go. If any questions related to what we talked about, feel free to let me know. Swananandi question could let us know what background is beneficial. So most likely, so Nandi, if you're coming from, let's say, BTech background, that will be helpful. If you're coming from MBA background, that will be helpful. And if you're coming from design background as well, right, that will also be helpful. Though you can get into product management coming from sales, marketing, or any other role as well, because in most cases, we have to leverage those skills. And as a product manager, you are taking care of, as I mentioned, right, design, working closely with design team, marketing team, tech team. So whatever experience that you're coming from, we can leverage that and learn the other skills in that case. If you're a PM in the automotive industry, what will be your role? Similar role, taking care of the product. Krishna, scope expect. How far as there is a scoping expectation for innovation. Shubhangi, on daily basis, if you're working on exciting product, though it depends upon the company, depends upon the industry that you're in, but on daily basis, you have to innovate these solutions. Yeah, Sakshi, example of cross-functional collaboration is very, when you're building any product, you have to write a PRD for that. After writing the PRD, you go to the designers, you discuss with them, you make wireframes and ask the designers to make uh, you know, wireframes for it, UI, UX for it, make prototype of it, make low fidelity, high fidelity mocks, right? After getting the designs, you take it to the engineering team, ask them to develop the same. This is cross-functional collaboration. After the product is developed, then you go to the testing team to make sure that the correct testing is done for the test cases are failed and it is being built correctly. Then after that, you probably, it depends upon the companies and the product, but you have to go to the marketing team and the growth team to launch your product. So this is cross-functional collaboration, where as a product manager, you're working with multiple stakeholders. Kirti, you can expect this to last 1.5 hours more. Swati, basically product management and project management, major difference is that as a product manager, you work on long-term strategy, and as a project management, you just work task to task. For Prodman, Shwari, all the specializations work, but probably marketing is more related because, or in business analyst or IT, these might be more helpful in that case. No, Ekmeet, in this case, AI will be helping you guys to do your job better as a product manager. So, Nandi, what's your question about this? Devendra, it's not exactly similar to business analyst, but some of business analyst also comes into product management. Yeah, but it should be easy to move ahead. Okay, perfect. So quickly drop good to go, guys, so that we can proceed. You're welcome. So Ruta, you are expected to make wireframes, then make sure that the designer is building what you have in your mind. Anju, what's your question? I think I've missed. Initial step for starting product management. Anushka will be talking about this later. If you're coming from post-grad as life science specialization, this career is good to go. Yes, Anju, basically whatever background you're coming from, it does not matter because this is a generalist role in which you are expected to learn multiple skills. You don't actually have to go, but you have to be more like, jack of all trades. So whatever you're coming should be good to go. So again, guys, the questions that are very personal to you guys and related to this, I'll be taking these later at the end of the workshop. Okay, Akash. And again, Swati, the tools for product management will be covered later as well. Right now, let's focus on the flow and let's not break the flow for everyone. Yes, Shubhang, you'll be eligible if you will stay till the end for the certificate. Yeah. Again, we will be learning about these tools as well, but kindly stay patient, guys. Show some patience. Let's start with the flow. Quickly drop good to go so that we can proceed. Perfect. Yeah. Yes, Ruta will be doing that. Awesome. So let's proceed. Everyone is saying good to go. So guys, now we will be focusing on why product management is crucial for the success of companies that creates or sells the product, right? In today's world, most of the companies are actually creating products. So why product management is crucial for success of the companies, right? Let's talk about this. No, Abhishek. Let's start. First thing first is because of increasing competition. In today's fast-paced business environment, competition is intense, and competition is intense in everything. And companies need to develop products that stand out from the competition. For example, I think 12, 13 years back, Apple was launched in India, right? At that point of time, we had Apple, we had Samsung, we had Nokia, we had Sony, right? Now we have all those brands, plus we have a lot more competition. We have OnePlus, we have Nothing Phone, we have Redmi, Realme, we have Oppo, we've not, right? Poco and all the other brands have come into the picture as well. So the competition is intense in everything in today's world, whether that is your car brands or any kind of products or fintech apps, everything, right? So when the competition is intense, product managers are the ones who are responsible for identifying the customer needs and developing innovative products that meet those needs and giving their companies a competitive advantage as well. Then we'll be talking about changing customer needs. Customer needs are always changing and constantly evolving. And companies need to keep up with these changes to remain relevant. As a product manager, you are responsible for understanding the customer needs and developing products that meet those customer needs to make sure that the company stays ahead of the curve. So, as a customer, your needs keep on changing. For example, a couple of years back, I had an iPhone 11 because I just wanted to, let's say, use basic applications like WhatsApp, Instagram, talk to my friends and do that, right? Now I've upgraded to a better phone because I want to, let's say, create more memories. I want to click photos and picture videos as well, right? So that's why as a customer, your needs are always changing. And as a product manager, you have to make sure that you're taking care of these customer changing needs. That's why the customer will stick to your company. Then the next thing is rapid technological advancements. Technology is advancing rapidly, and the companies need to keep up with these changes to remain relevant in the market. In 2019, 2020, there was a fintech boom that was going on, right? All across India and all across the world as well. Then in 21, 22, or 2021, there was a Web3 boom, right? Cryptocurrency, Web3, blockchain, NFTs, and all of these things came into the picture, right? So after that, there is AI ML boom that is going on at this time. So as a product manager, you are responsible for identifying the emerging technologies and then incorporating those technologies into your products to make sure that their company stays ahead at the forefront of the innovation as well. Then the next thing would be increasing customer expectations. Make sure you're listening to this carefully. Changing customer needs are different and increasing customer expectations is different, right? Customers are expecting more and more from the companies than ever before, and companies need to keep up with these expectations to remain competitive in the market. Product managers are the ones who are responsible for ensuring that the product meet customer needs and also their expectations while providing value to the customers. And this is something that will be generating and driving customer loyalty. So, let's say I was expecting my last phone to be charged from 0 to 100 within 1.5 hours, right? Now I'm paying more for the phone. I have upgraded to a better phone. I'm expecting my phone to be charged from 0 to 100 within 1 hour or within 45 minutes, right? So my expectations are more from the phone. That is what will drive customer loyalty. That's why if you will see that Apple is one of the brands that is high on customer loyalty, right? Okay. Then, there is a lot of importance of data-driven decision making. In today's world, data-driven decision making is becoming increasingly important, and data is the new currency. And as a product manager, you are responsible for collecting the data, analyzing the data on product performance, customer needs, market trends to take product development decisions. Based on the data that you're taking, you have to understand the insights from it. From the insights, you make sure that you're taking the decisions that will allow you to grow your product in the right direction. So, guys, just to sum it up, product management is relevant because it is essential to the success of any company that creates or sells the product. Product managers play a critical role in developing the products that meet customer needs, drive revenue for that company, and keep their companies ahead of the competition as well. Guys, if everything is clear so far, quickly drop good to go. Sure, Abhinav, I'll go on the slide. Yeah, if everything is clear, quickly drop good to go, guys. Okay, perfect. Yes, Rehan, you can say that. Yeah, you're welcome, Namita. Perfect. Let's move ahead. Let's understand what are the different types of product managers that you may come across. This will also get you a very good idea about, if you are trying to break into product management, what is the role that get into, right? So let's understand what are the different types of product managers. Yes, Vivek. So first thing first is technical product managers, right? So as the name suggests, technical product managers are the product managers with strong technical background and expertise. They work very closely with the engineering team and Their major goal is to bridge the gap between the technical team and other stakeholders. The folks that are coming from technical background, technical expertise, it's easier for you to get into technical product management role. Then consumer product managers. Consumer product managers are basically the product managers that mostly take care of B2C products or D2C products, the products that are directly catering to the individual consumer needs. And they are involved in a lot of market research, analyzing user behavior, analyzing user preferences, then working on the features to improve user experience for these users. So then it will be enterprise product managers. Enterprise product managers is more about B2B product managers, the product managers that are taking care of the products that are taking care of other businesses or other tailored organizations, right? They understand the needs of enterprise customers and solve problem for enterprise customers. This is the B2B side of things. Then we have growth product managers. Growth product managers are the ones who are responsible for driving multiple KPIs related to user acquisition, user retention, revenue growth, and user engagement and conversion rate as well, right? As a growth product manager, you work very closely with the marketing team to make sure that you're improving your product and growing your product and running multiple experiments to make sure these KPIs are being built. Then we have platform product managers. Platform product managers are the ones who oversee the development and management of the whole platforms and ecosystems on which multiple products are being built on. Very good example of the same will be Builder.ai, where I'm working on at the moment. Or other than that, there is also Shopify. If you guys have heard about Shopify, right? Multiple products are built on Shopify's ecosystem. So the PMs that take care of the same are called as platform product managers. Then we have data product managers. Data product managers, as the name suggests, are the product managers that specialize in the products that are heavily data driven and rely on data analysis, right? So they work on data collection, data storage, data analysis, and visualization tool to take informed decisions based on the data insights that you have taken. Then we have UX product managers. UX product managers basically, focus on enhancing the overall user experience while working very closely with the design team to make sure that the product is intuitive, product is user friendly, product is easy to use, product is visually appealing and easy to navigate as well. Then we have mobile product managers. Mobile product managers specialize in the products or features that are specifically designed for mobile platforms, that is iOS and Android in most cases, and they understand unique challenges and opportunities of mobile products. The PMs that work on the same are called as mobile product managers. Then we have hardware product managers. Hardware product managers are the ones who oversee the development and management of physical products like consumer electronics. Very good example will be this MacBook, phone, television, and all of these products, right? So the PMs that take care of these kind of products are hardware product managers. Then we have AI/ML product managers. AI/ML product managers are the ones who take care, who make sure that they are leveraging AI and ML technologies into your product. They work very closely with data scientists, data engineers to make sure AI/ML products are AI/ML features are being integrated into their product. So, very good example will be Myntra, right? Myntra has recently launched Fashion GPT. So this Fashion GPT is a product that is built by AI/ML product managers. Similarly, Grow has also integrated with ChatGPT into their FAQ section, right? So all of these startups in today's world are making sure that AI technologies are coming into the picture. So guys, if everything is clear so far, quickly drop good to go in the chat. You sure I'll go on the last slide. One slide back. Yeah, you can take notes. No problem. I'll go there. Aditi, as I mentioned, they both are completely working on different things. As a growth product manager, you have to make sure that you're growing the product by running multiple experiments, working with marketing team to run and achieve KPIs, that is key performance indicators, right? But as a data product manager, you're understanding the data, understanding customer behavior, understanding the product's behavior, understanding the technology behavior, then taking decisions based on the same that is beneficial for the product. Yeah. So consumer product manager is B2C product management, enterprise product manager is B2B product management. Anvesha, I'm not sure about the medical product managers, medical products. Abhishek, enterprise product managers, the product managers that are taking care of B2B products, that is very good example can be Salesforce, Lead Squared, the business to business products, right? The PMs that are taking care of the same. So the AI will be who handles a product and also the AI will be. Lavina, your question is not clear. Yeah, KPI is basically key performance indicator. We have same alignment. No, Aditi, that is completely different. As a data PM, you're working with data. As a growth PM, you are working with running multiple marketing experiments to make sure that the product is being actually growing and then achieving those KPIs. Platform PMs, pharma product management, again, Priya, I'm not sure about that. Okay. So guys, just to clarify, in most of the cases, you don't actually get hired for this specific product role. You are hired as a product manager, then you have to work on these multiple roles. For example, in my previous organization, that is Wealthy, where I was working on a stock market app, right? At that point of time, when I joined them, it was a 0 to 1 product. It was just being launched in the market. I made it from scratch. So at that point of time, I was more about a consumer product manager and UX product manager, because I had to work very closely with the design team to build the design, make sure that the product is intuitive and visually appealing and easy to use as well, right? After that, I moved into technical product management role because when I had to develop that product, then I was working more closely with the technical team. Then when the product was launched, it was successful in the market, then I was working more as a growth product manager to make sure that the product is growing, and we were running multiple experiments, marketing campaigns to make sure that the product is growing rapidly. So in most cases, you will be hired as a product manager. Then, depending upon the industry, depending on the product, depending on the life cycle of the product and the situation, you might have to move into some similar kind of roles. Okay, if everything is clear, quickly drop good to go in the chat, everyone. Yes, Sakshi, in marketing and finance should be good to go as a product manager as well. MBA is always helpful into that case. Lavina, it will be part of platform product management and AIM in product management. And as I mentioned, as a PM, you work on multiple roles at the same time. No, Sonandi, it is not expected to have coding experience as a technical product manager, but it is very important for you to understand technology very well, because you will be the one who will be making sure that the gap between the technical team and other stakeholders is being built. So you have to understand technology even if you're not coding anything. No, Ruta, no slide is skipped. We have already covered this. Yeah, if everything is clear, quickly drop good to go. Yes, Rusha, the certificate will be provided if you will stay till the end. Guys, 1 hour more. Make sure that you guys are listening to everything carefully. Yeah, good to go. Perfect. So guys, I have one question to you guys before moving ahead. That is, especially the folks who are coming from some experience, especially the folks who are coming from BTech background and MBA background as well. You guys must have understood about what is product life cycle, right? So can you guys tell me the 4 different phases of product life cycle in the chat? Yes, Vivek, you can say that. The PPT won't be shared. Only the certification will be given. That too, if you guys will be staying till the end. If you guys want to take your own notes, you can do that. Okay. So guys, can you tell me 4 different phases of product life cycle in the chat, especially the MBA, BTech, and work experienced folks? Okay. Carol, that's correct. Chaitanya Shri, that's correct as well. Shilpa, that is correct. Shushti, that is not correct. Again, Aditya, that's not correct. Himanshu, that's correct, but it's not inception, it's introduction. Sharwari, that's not correct. Swati, that is correct. Shrutika, brainstorm is not a product lifecycle phase, but okay. Abhishek, Sheetal, Aishwarya is correct. Shrutika, that's not correct. Udit, that will be correct. Extension is not a phase though. Soumya Priya, that is correct. Saffron, that is correct. Ananya, that's correct. Atul Krishna, that's correct. Vivek, that's correct. Krishna, that's correct. Aditi, that's correct. Himanshi, that's correct. Nitin, that is not correct. Stuti, that will be correct. Abhinav, that will be correct. Sumit, that's not correct. Ahil, not correct. Vidhi, that's correct. Jagriti, that's correct. Jyoti, that's correct. Yeah, Muskan Sharma, that will be correct. Tejas, that's not correct. Anandi, that's correct. Okay. That's good to see that a lot of you guys are able to answer this. Let me only cover this. So guys, first thing first, before understanding what are the 4 phases of product life cycle, let's understand what product life cycle is. So, we all are humans. And as humans, we have our own life cycle, right? As a human, it starts with birth, then childhood, then teenage, then adult, then maturity, then old age, then death, right? This is the inevitable human life cycle: birth, childhood, teenage, adult, maturity, old age, death. Very similar to this. This is the life cycle that a human goes through. Very similar to this, the life cycle that a product goes through is called as product life cycle. And it is very important to understand all of the different phases of product life cycle so that you can maximize profitability of your product in all these different phases. So what are the four different phases of product life cycle? That is introduction, growth, maturity, and decline. These are the four phases that a product goes through, and it's very important to understand these different phases as well. Yeah, Anju, that's not exactly correct. Sarada Sahu, that's correct. Gokul, that's not correct. Lavina, that is not correct for MBA. No, Brahman, that's not for MBA background. This is for everyone. Okay, perfect. So let's start with introduction phase, guys. Introduction is the first stage when a product is just being introduced in the market. Sales are typically low, and the focus is on building brand awareness and generating interest. At this time, the high marketing and advertising cost will be there, and product development cost will be high as well, because the product is just being launched or introduced in the market. So, very good example of the same are most of the startups that you on Shark Tank India, Shark Tank US, Shark Tank Australia, right? Most of the startups that come there are part of introduction phase of product life cycle because they are just being introduced or recently launched in past couple of years and have not yet gone into the growth phase, right? Then the next phase is growth phase. This is the phase when the product gains acceptance in the market, sales begin to grow rapidly, and the focus shifts from building brand awareness to capturing as much as possible of market share and increasing the market share. So businesses may also face increased competition in this phase, and there might be pressure to reduce prices. So very good example of growth phase of product life cycle would be your Ola, Uber, Rapido, or your Myntra, Flipkart, Amazon, or your Zomato and Swiggy, right? All of these are examples of growth phase when the product is growing rapidly, sales are skyrocketing, and you as a consumer are already aware about that product. Then the next phase is maturity phase. This is the stage when sales growth begins to slow down as the product reaches its maximum market penetration, right? So product is not able to grow beyond that and it is reached its maximum market penetration. Now the focus shifts from maintaining market share and profitability, and businesses may need to invest in product differentiation and brand building to stay competitive. Very good example of maturity stage of product life cycle is Facebook. So I think 5 to 10 years ago, probably I was also using Facebook. Now I'm not using Facebook, right? And Facebook is in their maturity stage. That's why what they did in their maturity stage is that they rebranded themselves into Meta. What else Facebook did is they invested in product differentiation by investing in products like Instagram and WhatsApp, right? So that's what you do in their maturity phase to make sure that you are still relevant in the market. Then the next phase is decline phase. Decline phase is the phase when the sales begin to decline as the product reaches its end of its life cycle and the focus shifts from managing costs and generating cash flow. In this case, businesses may need to retire the product or find new market for the product as well. Very good example of decline phase of product life cycle can be Omegle and Orkut. Before Facebook, we used to use Orkut and Omegle, if you guys have heard about it, or probably Skype, Nokia are also example of decline phase of product life cycle. Guys, if everything is clear, quickly drop good to go in the chat. If any question in life cycle, let me know. Okay. I can see most of the folks are saying it's clear. No, Imanshu, that's not safe to say. That's completely incorrect. Maturity phase is very different for all products. Even if it's a B2B product, you are launching the B2B product from scratch, that will come under introduction phase. When it's growing, it will come under growth phase. And when it has reached its maximum penetration, then it will come under maturity phase. So Himanshu, this hypothesis is completely incorrect. Okay, everything is clear. Udit, there is no extension phase. If after decline phase you feel that you have to do something else, then you go back to the growth phase. Yes, Sakshi, another already mentioned Omegle. Or other than that, Skype is a good, Micromax is a good example. Probably Nokia is also a good example. When the product has actually, started declining, the sales have declined. Depends, Shrutika, on it depends. These strategies will depend upon what kind of product it is, what kind of industry it is, what kind of area that you are serving in. Example for growth phase, we already discussed Ola, Uber, or Myntra, Amazon, and Zomato example of the same. Abhishek, you can say that. Sure, Jaideep, I'll do that. Maturity phase, Ishrad, we already told this. Phase is a good example of the same. They rebranded themselves, invested product differentiation by investing in Instagram and WhatsApp. Okay, guys, just to sum it up, product life cycle is the stage uh, that a product goes through from its introduction to decline, and businesses need to understand all of the characteristics of all of these phases to maximize profitability. Again, four different phases of product life cycle are introduction, growth, maturity, and decline. I hope this is clear, everyone. Yes, Vivek, there are always attempts, but you have to understand when it is not growing, then you have to retire your product. Yeah, Siddesh, Google Plus can be example of that as well. Here, quickly drop yes so that we can proceed. Yes, clear. Perfect. Awesome. Let's go ahead. So, guys, next thing that we'll be learning about is what is MVP. MVP is basically minimum viable product, a product that has enough features to satisfy early customer needs and provide back for future. Goal of an MVP is to validate the assumptions about the product by testing it with real customers with least possible investment, time, resources, energy, and efforts. I hope this is clear. So let's understand some key details about MVP. First thing first is that MVP is a concept from Lean Startup methodology. So the Lean Startup methodology is validating the idea about the product with minimum amount investment, time, resources, and energy. And MVP is a this approach. If you want to learn more about Lean Startup methodology, you can read books like as Zero Thiel, who is the founder of PayPal, or Lean Startup is a book in itself. All of these books will help you to understand more about Lean Startup methodology, which emphasizes the importance of quickly validating assumptions with minimum amount of resources and efforts. Then MVP is not a half-baked, MVP is not a poorly developed product or an unfinished product. MVP is a product that only has essential features to test market assumption, but it is not a half-baked product. And no, it's not a prototype, early version of the product, but it's way more than a prototype. MVP is a customer's feedback for. And its MVP approach in itself is customer focused. The goal of an MVP is to, provide the solution to the assumptions about the product, solving problem for the customers. Then the next comes into the picture is that it's iterative. VP approach in itself is iterative. The goal is to launch the product quickly, gather a lot of feedback from the customers, then use that feedback to improve the product and keep iterating your product until and unless you go and find something called as PMF or market fit. We'll be learning about PML. MVP is a product that has just enough features to satisfy early customer needs for future development. It is a key component of Lean Startup methodology and is a customer focused and iterative as well. Goal of an MVP is to validate assumptions about the product with minimum investment, time, resources, energy, and efforts, allowing the company to judge the product to eventually meet something called as product market fit. I hope this is clear, everyone. If this is clear, quickly drop yes in the chat. Lean Startup Aishwarya is a methodology that focuses on, emphasizing quickly validating the assumptions without actually spending a lot of time and efforts into the role, right? It depends, Toto. Sure, I'll give an example, guys. Do you guys need an example of MVP? Sure, I'll go on the previous slide. Soumya, Priya, and Dinesh. Okay, everyone wants an example of MVP? Perfect. No, Neetu, you won't be getting the PPT. I'm really sorry. Okay, guys, I have one question for you guys. Can you tell me what is your favorite food delivery app? Can you tell me in the chat what is your favorite food delivery app? Okay, let me read this. So Anurag is saying Swiggy, Himanshu says Zomato, Karthik Swiggy, Dakshita Swiggy, Aishwarya Zomato, Shrutika Zomato, Kirti Swiggy, Shad Zomato, Shubhangi Zomato, Himanshi Zomato, Namrata Swiggy, Soumya Priya Swiggy, Ujjwal Zomato, Stuti Zomato, Abhida Zomato, Shubhangi Zomato, Muskan Swiggy, Pari Zomato, Vidhi Zomato, Manishi Swiggy, Shrutika Zomato, Jaideep Zomato, Krishnadeep Zomato, Ananya Zomato, Kerala Zomato, Sahil Zomato, Aditi Zomato, Rishita Zomato, Jagriti Zomato. Okay. Let's take an example of Zomato in this case, guys. So Food Panda is not available at the moment, Shivam. And again, Zepto and Blinkit are not food delivery app. These are grocery delivery apps. Instamart again, Janam is not a food delivery app. It's a grocery delivery app. Okay. Oh, Anjali, that's very sad to hear. That food delivery is not available in your hostel. In my hostel, it was also not available. So I understand your pain. Okay, so let's take an example of Zomato, guys. 15 years back in India, when Zomato was being launched in India, right? At that point of time, Dipinder Goyal and his friends from IIT Delhi, what they used to do is that they used to use this MVP approach to go into the market. How? First thing first, they did not hire product managers, did not hire developers, designers to make an app, then go in the market. They use the MVP approach by directly orders on WhatsApp. After taking the orders on WhatsApp, they used to deliver the food themselves. They did not hire partners. They used to take orders on WhatsApp. They used to ask people if they want hot food delivered to them on lunchtime, especially the working professionals. After understanding that they used to deliver the food, understand if this is working or not. That is the MVP approach they used. Other than that is as well, when Zomato was launched, they were not sure if this is the business they want to get into. MVP approach helped them when Zomato was launched as a restaurant rating app. Basically, on Zomato's website, you could find restaurant ratings and restaurant menus. That was the app they started it with. That is the MVP approach. After that, eventually they got into food delivery. I hope this is clear, everyone. If this is clear, quickly drop good to go in the chat. Perfect. Yeah, quickly drop good to go. Good example. Yeah, that sure, Shilpa. I'll go back to the previous slide. Yes, Dakshita, you can say that. Not exactly. Swiggy Dine Out allows you to actually, book something. Zomato also now allows the same, but when they started, they were only giving menu and restaurant rating there. On Swiggy Dine Out, what you can do is that you can actually book the table, right? Okay. So let's move ahead, guys. Let's understand what is PMF. Yeah, Sakshi, basically a prototype is only design that is, so it's not a prototype. MVP is a completely functional product that customers can use and provide their feedback for. Whereas a prototype is something that is just made by design and it is a non-functional product. Okay, let's move ahead, guys. Let's understand what is PMF. PMF or product market fit is a concept that refers to the extent to which a product meet customer needs that it is intended for. In other words, PMF is achieved when a product solves a problem and meets the needs of the customers, and customers are willing to pay for it as well. So, guys, long story short, when there is a fit between the market and the product is called as product market fit. When the product is ready for the market and the market is ready for the product, that is called as product market fit. When a product is solving problem for the customers and customers are willing to pay for that problem being solved as product market fit. I hope this is clear. Let's dive deep into some key details about PMF. First thing first, PMF is not an exact science. PMF is not a precise formula. PMF is not something that can be calculated, but rather it's a subjective measure of how well the product meets the needs of its target market. It requires a deep understanding of the market, customers, and product itself. Then the next thing would be that it's a process. Achieving PMF is not a one-time event. Achieving PMF is a process. It requires a lot of constant feedback from the customers and a lot of iterations of the product that it continues to meet the needs of the customers as well. You have to keep on finding PMF. It's not like you have find PMF today and you're sorted for life, right? It's a continuous process. Then it's very much critical for success. PMF is essential for the success of any company or any product. Without actually finding PMF, it is very unlikely to gain traction in the market, and company may struggle to generate revenue as well. And no, it's not the same as market share. PMF is about meeting the needs of specific target market and not necessarily about dominating the entire market. You can achieve PMF with a small percentage of users as well. You just have to make sure your target customers are being fulfilled, right? Their needs are being fulfilled. So just to sum it up, guys, PMF is the extent to which a product meets needs of its target market. Achieving PMF requires a deep understanding of the market, about taking a lot of constant feedback from the customers, then iterating your product or improving your product based on the feedback that you have gotten. And it is a continuous process that you have to keep, and it requires a lot of cross-functional collaboration as well. So guys, if everything is clear related to PMF, quickly drop good to go in the chat. Sure, Shubhangi, I'll do that. Sure, Dakshita. Yeah. If everything is clear related to PMF, quickly drop good to go, guys. So very good example of PMF is all the products that you are aware of as a market, right? You are part of the market. For example, if whenever I am hungry, I'm going to the product market fit. Whenever I want to go from A place to B place, I go to Ola, Walmart, right? So that is again product market fit. Whenever I want to buy something, I go to the again that are part of product market fit. I hope this no particular framework, Vivek. We already discussed this, that there is no formula. There is, it's a subjective measure. There is no formula or framework that we can do for the same. Okay, sure. So if everything is clear, quickly drop good to go, everyone, so that we can proceed. You're welcome. Drop good to go in the chat, everyone. Now we'll be learning about product management tools. Quickly drop good to go. Okay, perfect. It's good to see that everything is clear so far. So guys, now we're learning about product management tools. So what are the different types of tools that we'll be learning today? That is analytics tools, planning tools, design tools, no-code tools, document tools, and collaboration tools. As a product manager, you have to work with multiple stakeholders. You have to work on multiple things. So that's why you require to learn multiple tools as well. So different types that we'll be learning are analytics, planning, design, no document, and collaboration tools. So it's not mandatory for you to learn all of each one of, one of each category should be good to go. So let's understand about these tools. What are product analytics tools? Product analytics tools allows us to track data, track metrics, analyze about the product's performance, about customers' needs. All of these can be done on product analytics tools. Very good examples of the same are Mixpanel, Tableau, Google Analytics, CleverTap, Segment, and a lot of other tools are there as well. And Google Analytics is the market leader into the same. Then we have product planning tools. These planning tools allows us to plan about the product, make product roadmap, make sprints about the product and project management side of things. Very good example of the same are Jira, Asana, Monday.com, Backlog, Plane, AHA, and market name is Jira. Then we have product design tools. Product design tools allows us to create wireframes, UI, UX, low fidelity, high fidelity mocks, and prototypes as well. So very good examples of the same will be Figma, Balsamiq, Mimscale, Adobe XD, and Figma is the market leader into the same. Then we have no-code tools. These no-code tools allows us to actually create the product, app, or website without actually knowing coding. What you can do is that either you can select the templates or you can drag and drop to make products based on these no-code tools. Very good examples of the same are Bubble, Zapier, Glide, Webflow, and Builder.ai as well. Document tools. These document tools allows us as a product managers to document product journeys, make product requirement document, made PRD, DRD, BRD, and very good examples of the same are Notion, Confluence, Google Docs, Coda, Microsoft Word. Google Docs are the market leader to the same, or Microsoft Word as well. Then we have collaboration tools. These collaboration allows us to collaborate with multiple stakeholders, like by creating user flows, by creating chart to make sure every other stakeholders is able to contribute. Very good examples of the same is Miro, FigJam, Google Jamboard, and Whimsical. Google Jamboard and FigJam are market. So if this is clear, everyone, any questions related to any of the tools? Oh, okay, I'm seeing no questions. Yeah, Shavari, what are you asking for that? Yeah, that's a good question, Abhishek. So basically, in design, I mostly use Figma. In project management, I use Jira. In analytics, I use this Google Analytics. I don't use no-code tools at the moment. Document tools, I use Google Docs or probably Dropbox as well. In collab tools, we use them and Google Jamboard. Okay, so what is not clear on this slide? Let me know. No, Muskan, basically these tools are paid for the companies, but as an individual user, you can get free access to these tools as well. Yeah, Priya, I think I already shared my LinkedIn with you guys. Sure, I'll add it again. You're with Muskan. Yeah, especially the folks who are active in the chat, I'll be happy to connect with you on LinkedIn as well. Himanshi, let me know what's not clear. Yeah, Ananya, you can definitely do that. You have to figure that out and also allow you to get certificate of the same. No, it's a flowchart tool, Viraj. Okay. So guys, I'm not sure why do you guys want to see these slides, taking screenshots or something. Let me know. I'll also, fix my hair if you guys are taking screenshots. But just make basic notes. It should be good to go. Yeah. For designing a Munchie, it's Figma. Okay. So Anju, basically no code tools allows you to create websites and apps without actually coding anything. With drag and drop and with just selecting the templates, you can create those. Okay. Now guys, if you guys are ready for the quiz, let me know in the chat. If you guys are ready and excited, quickly drop ready in the chat. Make sure everyone is attentive, everyone is listening to all the questions carefully. Quickly drop ready in the chat, then we'll be starting. Okay, perfect. I can see a lot of you guys are Ready and excited for the same? Let's start with the quiz. So now what we'll be doing is that, I'll be reading the question, listen to the question carefully, read the question carefully. That there are four options. Let me know in the chat what you think is the correct answer, right? A, B, C, or D. All right. So there are 10 questions at the end of the quiz. Let's see who got maximum answers correct. Perfect. Let's start. Awesome. Let's go. First question on the screen for everyone. What is the purpose of product roadmap? Read the options carefully and let me know in the chat. What is the purpose of product roadmap, everyone? Take your time, then answer. First question, what is the purpose of product roadmap? Aditi, that is not correct. Himanshu, that will be correct. Sachi, that's not correct. Manish, that's correct. Sheetal, Dakshita, Karthik, Shubhangi, Vaibhav, Sayoda, most of the other folks are correct. Aditi, again, not correct. Soumya, Rohan, Anurag is correct. So the correct answer for first question is C, to provide a high-level plan for products development and release. That is the correct answer for first question. Second question, everyone. Which of the following is not a common product management framework? Tejas, that's correct. Sachi, that's not correct. Vidhi, that's not correct. Sumit, that's not correct. Sahil, not correct. Salma, not correct. Sayod, that's correct. Nitin, Ayushi, Bhavya, not correct. Shreyas, that's correct. Rao, that's not correct. Himanshu, that's not correct. Vivek, that's correct. Ananya, not correct. Okay. Second question, the correct answer is B. Lean startup is the correct answer of second question. Lean startup is a methodology that we discussed. It's not a product management framework. Second question is here, Rohan, on the same screen. Okay. Third question, everyone. Third question. What is the role of product manager in agile development team? First correct answer was C. Second correct answer was B. Third question. What is the role of product management in agile development team? Amrita, that's correct. Shabna Surya, that's not correct. Matesh, not correct. Sachi, that will be correct. Murthy, not correct. Aditi, correct. Manoj, not correct. Samruddhi, correct. Okay. Correct answer. Third question, everyone. What is the role of product manager in agile development team? The correct answer for this is C. Defining and prioritizing the product features is the correct answer for third question. Okay. Fourth question on the chat, guys. I hope you guys will be able to give the correct answer of fourth question. You guys have already studied about this today as well. What does the term PMF or product market fit refers to? Manoj, that's not correct. Rohan, not correct. But most of the other folks, it's good to see is correct. Yeah, the correct answer for fourth question is B. The alignment between the product and needs of its target market is the correct answer for fourth question. Perfect. Okay, fifth question, everyone. What is the purpose of conducting user research in product management? Listen to the question carefully, then read the options, then let me know. What is the purpose of conducting user research in product management? Manoj, that's not correct. Shumar, not correct. Ananya, not correct. Aishwarya, not correct. Anushka, not correct. Listen to the question and read the options carefully. What is the purpose of conducting user research in product management? The correct answer for fifth question is D. Conducting user research and usability testing. That's the correct answer for fifth question. Okay, sixth question, everyone. Again, please listen to the question carefully, read it and read all the answers, then let me know. There is no hurry. Sixth question. What is the primary goal of beta testing phase in product development? What is the primary goal testing phase in product development? Uh, Yogaswari, that's not correct. Babita, that's not correct. Nilesh, that's not correct. Aditi, that's not correct. Shilpa, that's not correct. Murthy, that's not correct. Sachi, that's not correct. Tejas, not correct. Ananya is correct. Amrita is correct. Dhanesh is correct. Shrutika correct. Correct. The correct answer of sixth question is B. To fix any remaining bug technical issues in the beta testing phase. Okay, perfect. Sixth question, B is the correct answer. B. Okay. Seventh question, everyone. Which of the following is an example of KPI or key performance indicator for measuring a product success? Which of the following is example of KPI? Yeah, the correct answer of seventh question is D. Average revenue per user is the correct answer. Okay. Eighth question, everyone. What is the purpose of conducting a competitive analysis in product management? What is the purpose of conducting competitive analysis in product management? Again, what is the purpose of conducting competitive analysis in product management? The correct answer is B, to identify opportunities and gaps in the market. B is the correct answer, guys. Okay, ninth question, everyone. Last two questions. Ninth question on the screen. What is the difference between a manager and a project manager? What is the difference between a product manager and a project manager? Yeah, I can see most of the folks are giving correct answer. Of ninth question is A. Project manager focuses on short-term tasks and a product manager focuses on long-term product strategy. Okay, last question, everyone on the screen. Which of the following is not a phase in product development life cycle? Which of the following is not a development life cycle? This is product development life cycle, not product life cycle. So listen to the question, read the solutions, and let me know. Okay, Aditi, Gayatri, not correct. A is not the right answer for 10th question. The correct answer for 10th question is option D. Customer support and maintenance is not part of product development life cycle. Okay, perfect. Thank you, everyone. I hope this is clear. Now, before starting with the product teardown on Hotstar, any questions? And guys, before that, let me know in the chat what is your score? How many of you got the maximum answers correct? Can you tell me your score in the chat? Is there anyone who got 10 out of 10? Okay, it's great to see that Ankita got 10 out of, yeah, Ankita got 10. Other than that, there are folks who got 9 and 9. Okay, perfect. All right, guys. Okay. Now we'll be starting with Hotstar, product teardown on Hotstar. Guys, let me know if my screen is visible. Yeah, just give me one moment. Mm. Yeah, can you guys confirm if the screen is visible? If the screen is visible, quickly drop good to go in the chat. Okay, okay. Before moving ahead, everyone aware about what Hotstar is as a product, right? So let's start. First thing first, let's understand a little bit about Hotstar. What is Hotstar? Is an Indian OTT platform that provides variety of content, especially related to live sports, TV shows, movies in multiple languages. And what are the direct competitors of Hotstar? We have Netflix, Pro, Z5, even YouTube or Sony, and all of these are examples of competitors of Hotstar, right? Now, what is the problem statement today that we are solving? Listen to the problem statement very carefully. There are 55 plus year old people who have just started watching some shows on Hotstar because of their kids, right? 55 plus year old user base. They have started watching some shows on Hotstar, but they are not confident to use the platform on themselves. So you guys are the product managers, product head at Hotstar, and we have to build features to retain the users, right? We have to build features to retain the user base of 55 plus year old feature. So guys, in the chat box, let me know what are the features that you guys will be willing to make for 55 plus year old people. All right. Yes, Anjali, that is also a competitor. Geo Cinema, Mini TV, all of these are competitors, correct? So 55 plus year old people are there. We have to build features to retain this user base. Let me know in the chat what are the features that you will be building. Meanwhile, let me cover the things. So first thing first, why are we solving this problem for? We are solving this problem for the elderly people to guide them on how to use the platform. We have to make this platform less accessible for the elderly people. We have to make sure that we are able to retain the user base that is 55 plus year old people. So we have to make the product more user friendly, more intuitive, more easy to use, right? Then what are the assumptions that we are taking while solving this problem? We are considering that we already have a mobile app and users already have an account with us. We just need to build features to make sure that these user base is retaining with us as a product. So what are the goals that we'll be focusing on? User experience improvement and retaining the user base is the major goal that we'll be focusing on. And what are the key metrics that we'll be tracking? That is the retention, engagement rate, user satisfaction rate, and content consumption rate as well. So let me cover the user personas. Who are our user personas? There is Devdas, who is a working professional, who is a 58-year-old civil servant, who is medium to low tech savvy. His major pain point is complexity in finding desired content. Then we have Manisha, who is a retired 62-year-old Hindi teacher. She lives in Bhopal with grandson. She likes, spending her time while watching TV shows, reading books, and doing other indoor activities. Problem for her, major problem is small font size in the app. Then we have Sheila, who is a 65-year-old homemaker. She is low tech savvy, little bit illiterate. She likes to watch mythological and drama shows on YouTube. And major pain points for her is that she can't understand and explore many features at one particular time. What is the user journey map for Hotstar as a product? That once a user lands on the app, that is landing on the app, then the user has to browse the content or search the content. After landing on the app, after searching the content, then you choose the content, then you eventually play the video. This is the user journey: landing on the app, searching the content, choosing content, then playing the video. This is clear, everyone? Now, before moving ahead with the features, let's read your answers that you guys have mentioned in the chat. Okay, Shivam is saying larger text in UI UX. Anju is saying voice assistance, voice command feature, voice search. Voice search is something that is a lot of folks are saying that. Rutuja, Saloni, Shubhangi, Sidesh, everyone is suggesting the same. Health related providers, Abhishek. Soumya Priya, user language, regional language. Okay, Shivam, easier user interface. But what are the features that you will be making, Ganesh, to make the interface easier, right? As a product manager, what are the features that you'll be making? Yeah, Pushka, that's a good point. We can have a age criteria and separate section for them as well. Make user experience easy to use. That's true, Vidhi. But as a product manager, what are the features that you will be building to make it easier? That's what we have to focus on. User-friendly system, content based on their preferences, suggestions by program release date, voice search, click the mic and tell they need. That's the voice search only. Bigger and even more user-friendly UI. Building separate web design for people of 50 plus year old included. Okay, content filter, local language, content, consistent, clear, larger text, simple navigation, graphic design, speech. What is this? It says per need, making less CTAs. Okay, larger fonts, clear navigation, intuitive controls to accommodate version. Okay, Pallavi. Add new 55. What will that be, Janam? Local voice help center, optimize content creation, variable talk to speech, recommendation. Right. Okay, perfect. Let me only cover the same, guys. Good suggestions though. First thing first, user base is separate elderly section, right? Kids section, very similar to we can have a separate elderly section. This separate elderly section is a dedicated area for this users in which they will be seeing content only related to this user base. And you can, also continue watching previous episodes or desired similar recommended content will come to this user base. So separate elderly section is one of the features that we can build. Then the next feature that we can build is font sizing feature. This font sizing feature will allow the users to increase or decrease the font size of the application based on their eyesight and based on their needs. User can increase or decrease the font size. This is the features that we can build for this user base. The metrics that we will be tracking in this case is the adoption rate and average number of clicks on this particular bar. Then the next feature is screen lock rate, screen lock feature. The screen lock feature will allow the users to lock the screen and it will eliminate the fat finger error. Basically, especially in the elderly people, what happens is that fat finger error is a common thing that by mistake you click on one of the videos and by mistake you go on the next video. So fat finger error is something that we can eliminate if we come up with a screen lock feature. And the metrics that we can track in this case is screen lock rate and video completion rate if that is increased or decreased. Then the fourth feature will be optimizing search results. Optimizing search result feature will allows us to actually, search it better and find desired content very easily. The metrics that we can track in this case is search success rate, if the number of successful searches is going on, and of course, time spent while searching and number of clicks on search results by elderly users. So these are the four features that we can build. That is separate elderly section, then then font sizing feature, then screen lock feature, then optimizing search result feature, right? But in most cases, what happens is that as a product manager, when you're working, you have limited bandwidth, you have limited resources. There is limited number of front-end engineers, there is limited number of back-end engineers, right? So you can't build all of these features together. So in this case, what happens is that you focus on prioritization. So let's learn a little bit about prioritization as well. So out of these four features, which is the feature that we'll be prioritizing to build for the user? There is separate elderly section, font sizing, screen lock, and optimized search result feature, right? There are multiple prioritization frameworks that we can use. For example, impact effort metrics method, RICE method, Heisenberg method, and then Moscow method, and a lot of other methods are there as well, out of which we will be using RICE method today. Let me add the formula of RICE method in the chat so that it's easier for you guys. So this is the RICE score, everyone. The RICE score will allow us to prioritize which feature needs to be built. Reach is the first part of RICE score, that is reach, how many total number of users this particular feature is reaching out to. Then impact, what is the impact of this particular feature that is happening. Then confidence, how confident you are as a product manager on this particular feature. Then effort, what is the technical time taken or the design efforts to make this particular feature. Then when we multiply reach with impact with confidence and divided by effort, we will get something called as RICE score, and this score will allow us to understand which feature needs to be built first. All of these are relative numbers, and in this case, optimized search result is the feature that we will be building at this point of time. We might build other features as well later. For this quarter, for this time, we will be going ahead with optimized search result feature because that is coming with the maximum RICE score when we multiply reach into impact into confidence divided. I hope this is clear, everyone. Any questions so far? Let me know in the chat. Any questions, guys? Let me know in the chat box. If no questions, quickly drop good to go. If no questions, quickly drop good to go in the chat. Yeah, Vikram are basically RICE method, impact effort method, score method. Okay, now Sagar is here. Sagar will be taking over and he will be guiding you on how to get into product management. Thank you, everyone. Thanks and have a good day. All the very best. I'll be hoping to see you into.
Yeah. So guys, if I'm audible and visible to each and everyone, please drop yes on the chat box right now. If I'm audible and visible to each and everyone, please drop yes on the chat box right now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, 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 sir. Yes, sir. Yes, yes, yes. Great, guys. Great, great, great. So guys, a very warm good evening, a very warm good afternoon, sorry, to all of you right now who present here. Okay. And already Ajur sir explained perfectly what exactly is product management, what are the scope of product management, he already explained you perfectly. Okay. Still, I can just see that number of questions, number of messages right now. We wanted to go in product management domain. We wanted to be a product manager, but how I need to become? What exactly I need to follow? Okay. How the things are going to process into that? Number of questions are related to that. Sir, we are from different qualification background. So guys, I just wanted to clear you. Right now in a workshop, three categories candidates are here right now. First are those who are pursuing like XYZ degree they are pursuing right now, whatever they are pursuing. And second category is that those who are recently qualified, XYZ they have qualified. And third category is that they are working professional, but they wanted to switch in product management or they wanted to get the hike in now. But agenda of each and everyone is completely clear that they wanted to be product manager or they wanted to get a complete job in this particular domain to become. Exactly. I need to crack the interviews. Okay, number of questions are related to that only. Okay, so guys, I'm having a vision, I'm having a roadmap, but web is completely practical oriented. Okay, without having any kind of a practical oriented knowledge, you cannot be a product manager. That I completely wanted to clear you. Completely two domains are completely worldwide, not even India, completely worldwide. First is product management, another is management consultant, where the companies and firms are hiring a bulk, even 2-3 product managers companies are hiring. But whom they are hiring? Only those who are having the proper practical oriented knowledge. Suppose you are sitting in interview. Okay, you are sitting in interview. So they are not going to ask you what is the definition of product management, what is the definition of management consultant. They are not going to ask you these things. Simply, they are going to provide the case studies, models, stuck situations, cases. If you are able to understand that, if you are able to solve that, then you are directly shortlisted, otherwise directly rejected. These are the simple things. Whether you are pursuing, whether you're qualified or whether you're working professional, that completely doesn't matter. That's kind of a specialty of this particular domain that you don't require any kind of a specific qualification. Okay, so guys, I'm having a complete roadmap that what exactly you guys need to prepare it out, how I need to do this, what kind of operation I need to do, how I need to crack out the interviews, whatever companies hire that, okay, everything. And right now, every firm wants to hire a product manager. Okay, there's no specific thing that these are the firms which are hiring the product managers. Right now, even a single which is having the only the couple of lakhs of earnings in just particular companies, they are also hiring a product managers right now. The difference, the quality person is completely very much in demand. Okay, core difference is that, and many qualified candidates are sitting at home right now, guys. Okay, many qualified and opportunities. Why they're getting the better opportunities? Because they are fulfilling the demand. Whatever companies require, they are fulfilling that. That's the most important difference which I'm telling you right now. So guys, I'm having a proper roadmap, I'm having a proper vision, but that is not for each and everyone. That is only for those who have complete clarity about that, because there are always two types of mindset. First, okay, sir, I need to think about that. I need to go product management or I need to decide according to my parents, okay, and I need to have some kind of R&D and all. Then only I can think whether I need to go into this or not. Okay, and second is that, sir, I'm completely cleared about that. That in upcoming 4 to 5 months, 6 months, I just need to get into this particular product management domain, whether I'm pursuing, whether I'm qualified, or whether I'm working. But it's completely cleared that in upcoming 4 to 5 to 6 months, I just need to get a job at any cost right now, whether I'm pursuing, qualified, or working professional. So how many of you are having the complete clarity? Please tell me right now. How many of you are having the complete clarity? Please tell me, I'm having the clear mindset, me, myself, clarity, I'm having the clarity, me, myself, me, myself, myself, me, myself. Myself, myself, myself. Yeah, got it. Approximately each guys that I completely understood. Got it. So guys, I'm having a vision, I'm having a training, but that training is not for it. Now you're going to ask me, sir, why that is not for each and every guy due to quality concern. Because whatever training I'm going to explain you right now, okay, that is completely sponsored by Ishan Group of Institution, which is certified from Government of India, and they conduct this training and they organize this training after every 7 months. Okay, right now in a workshop, 253 candidates are here right now. I can take each and everyone also, but why I'm not taking each and everyone? Guys, the thing is that due to quality concern, so that's why they have allowed only 40 candidates after having 7 months to take this particular training. Now you are going to ask, sir, 253 candidates are there right now, and you are only going to take 40. How is it going to be justified? Guys, the quality is the most important concern, and quality equals to placement also, guys. Okay, placement is the most important concern that what we are having right now, not even okay, because whoever is going to be shortlisted in this particular training, he or she is completely going to get a proper practical oriented training and 100% placement, but only 40, not even 41. So guys, please focus on the screen. Please listen carefully that whatever I am explaining you, don't need to escape anything. Okay, this is my most important. This is my most important task which I'm giving you right now. Okay, so now I'm sharing my screen to guide you each and everything about the training. That what exactly is the training, how I need to complete it out, what is the validity of that, okay, what the duration of that, and how I need to process for that, how the placement process will work, what exactly the module wise concepts will be covered in that. Okay, everything I'm gonna guide you. Okay, each and everything. Just please focus on the screen. Don't need to skip anything. Just give me a moment. I'm just sharing my screen to guide you each and everything about the training, that what exactly it is and how we need to process out. Okay. Okay. So guys, here it is, product management training end to end. Okay, completely end to end training will be there. Now, the module wise concept. First, the technical tools. Now you are going to ask this, sir, in product management, why you have added these kind of a technical tools like Power BI, Tableau, Excel, Python, Jira, and Google Analytics. Guys, company wants a evergreen person. If you are having core product management knowledge, management consultant knowledge, case studies knowledge, that is completely okay. But if you're in the technical tools knowledge also in complete pan India, not only in completely worldwide, no one is going to reject you. Okay, that's the difference I'm having right now. Because when you are going to sit in interview, and one candidate is also sitting for the same job profile for the interview, okay, and he is also having the core product management knowledge, you are also having the core product management knowledge, but you are not having the technical tools knowledge, okay, he or she can replace you easily. That's why we completely don't want any kind of a loophole, because these particular technical tools are very much helpful for summarizing the data, analyzing the data, plus for managing, plus building a new product also. That's the most important thing which I'm just getting you right now, because market is very much competitive. That's why we cannot want any kind of a loophole in that. Okay, so UI UX also we have included in that Figma and all, whatever its requirement. Okay, now who will be your trainer? Mr. Shubham Agrawal, sir. I just wanted to tell about his journey actually. Mr. Shubham Agrawal, sir. Who is Shubham Agrawal? Okay, then let me tell you right now. Mr. Shubham Agrawal, sir, just was a BTech graduate from electronics branch. When he was shortlisted in ZS Delhi as a management consultant over the ZS Delhi, he was getting something 22 LP, 25 LP at a time. After that, his firm sponsored his MB from Cambridge, London, and now he is sitting plus 1+ year package in ZS London right now. Okay, so guys, you can just understand now. Many students are thinking, sir, I'm from BTech background, I'm from PGDM, diploma, BTech, MCA, MCOM, pursuing, I'm just qualified. How can I get into this? Guys, I'm just taking your trainer example. And now you're going to ask me, sir, are you including management consultant modules also in this? Yes, we are including management consultant modules in this, because we wanted to open the both domains job for you in future. Not even product management, we wanted to open the product management consultant jobs also. So that's why by Shubham Agrawal, sir, we have included management consultant core modules end to end in that. Okay, Mr. Rakshit Vikser is an analytical consultant PwC. He is going to read the technical tools part, which I have just shown you about. End to end, that is completely going to be provided by him. Another trainer, Mr. Churyan Jaiswal, sir. He's a product manager in SWBL, an ex-product manager in Nykaa. He is also going to lead the training end to end. And your trainer, Mr. Yajur Bajaj, sir, he is a product manager in Wealthy. He is also going to lead that. And most famous trainer, Mr. Jivan Jain, sir, he's a product manager in Disney Plus Hotstar. He is also completely going to lead the training end to end. So, guys, you are having the completely well qualified trainers, okay, and well structured content also will be there right now. And guys, I was just thinking 40 candidates are going to be shortlisted, but the counter is saying 35 only. Okay, might be I'm having the wrong information regarding that. That 40 are going to be shortlisted. So sorry from my side, guys. I was just having the wrong information that 40 are going to be shortlisted, but 35 are only going to be shortlisted. Sorry from my side. Okay. And these are the wonderful students, testimonials and all, how they have got a placement in this particular domain. I will show you that also later on. But before that, the module wise concept. Okay, that what exactly the structure wise which I need to prepare into that. Okay, so introduction to product management. What is product manager? History of product management completely. Okay, scope of product management, different stakeholders. Okay, writing PRDS, defining MVP, GTM strategy, product launch. Okay, type of product management, agile methodology, waterflow methodology, agile versus waterflow, using project management tool, Jira, Monday project management, web analytics, metrics web analytics. Okay, okay, learn Google Analytics हो गया आपका, what is product vision, building the product roadmap, prioritizing projects and with RICE method, okay, and career and product management, scope of product management, solving product case studies, okay, and the technical tools. Why I'm highlighting these technical tools? Because I completely don't want any kind of a loophole for these particular 40 candidates. So that's why completely a end-to-end core modules of management consultant, end-to-end core modules of product management, plus technical tools also will be a part of that. Okay, Figma and all, UI, UX, okay, these are also completely going to part. Another rest technical tools also going to be included in that. So nothing is going to be left in this, guys. Okay, nothing is going to be left. Whatever it's required to be a product manager, that is completely going to be end-to-end provided in that. Now, how the things are going to be done. So guys, whatever content I have just shown you right now from top to bottom right now, okay, whatever content, whatever syllabus I have just shown you right now, that one time will be provided. Suppose Suraj is shortlisted. Suppose Suraj is shortlisted in top 40. So how the things are going to work? So guys, whatever content, whatever syllabus I have just shown you right now, that one time will be provided in this dashboard that he can access anytime, right, in mobile, desktop, laptop with unlimited validity and unlimited access. So parallelly on weekends, the live sessions also will take part for practical case studies, real working projects, capstone projects, each and everything will be covered in that. So completely habit monitoring. So whether you are a student, whether you are qualified or whether you are working professional, nothing is going to hamper in weekdays. Okay, so no need to worry. Module-wise content is divided in recorded form, which you can access anytime in mobile, desktop, laptop with unlimited validity and unlimited access. Parallelly on weekend, the live sessions also will take part. So completely a systematic habit model training will be there. Nothing is going to be hampered in that condition. Now, how the another process will work for the placement? Guys, duration you can divide according to yourself. For example, Suraj is completely divided his duration in 3 to 4 months. Okay, he completed all the modules, capstone projects, assignments, each and everything in 3 to 4 months. In 3 to 4 months he completed. Or if he wanted to take more time, he can more time also. Or if he wanted to take less time, he can take less time also. According to his comfortability, we are going to start his placement process. For example, Suraj completed all the things in 3 to 4 months. So first process for the placement process, what we are going to do? First process that we are going to build his resume. And guys, what the specialty we are having? That is, we are having our own job portal. In complete pan India, no EdTech platform and no platform is having own job portal. Naukri.com is only a platform. We are their own job portal, but they are not providing any kind of a training and all. So we are only a EdTech platform. We are providing own job portal where 6 lakhs plus recruiters are connected and only in core product management domain, management consultant domain, completely worldwide 42,000 are directly collaborating and directly hiring from us. Okay, that's the USP that we have built right now. And guys, you can call in any kind of platform right away after 1 hour, 2 hour, anytime, whenever inquiring regarding any program related to any domain, related to any program. You just need to ask 2 questions to them. 2 questions you just need to ask them. Sir, are you having our own job portal? First question you just need to ask to them. Are you having our own job portal? Own job portal, okay. Everyone is going to say that we are having third-party tab, second-party tab. We are not having our own job portal like that. Second question you just need to ask to them, are you having our in-house HR team? These 2 simple questions you just need to ask to them, and everyone is completely going to show you the reality. Okay, that's the standard we have maintained in the market right now. And suppose I'm taking 200 candidates here right now. To be frank with you right now, I cannot able to provide the placement. How can I provide one-to-one mentorship to 200 candidates? That's why only 40, not even 41. More, sorry, 35 are there. I was just thinking 40 are going to be shortlisted. So that's the difference we have maintained. And only on that basis, we are able to provide the placement. So now, how the placement process is going to work for you? First process is that we are going to build a resume, complete ATS friendly resume. 90% candidates don't know what is ATS friendly resume. I'm telling you. Guys, when you are going to apply a resume in a top reputed firm, so there's no single HR is sitting and shortlist. Resume is going to be shortlisted by ATS tracker, application tracking system. If the keywords are matching with that, तो वो shortlist करेगा, otherwise directly going to be rejected. So ATS friendly resume is completely going to be requirement. Then LinkedIn optimization and then one-to-one mock interview preparation. Why one-to-one mock interview? Because your trainers are well qualified, well experienced. They are having the vast experience of taking the interviews. That what kind of a question the interviewer asks, how I need to answer, and then different forms of interview scheduling, and then smoothly the placement going to take part. So completely a roadmap by thing in that. Okay, it's not a rocket science and all. आप ही के बीच में से प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर्स निकलते हैं. द डिफरेंस इज दैट दे आर हैविंग द क्लियर विजन अबाउट देयर फीचर. दे आर नॉट हैविंग एनी काइंड ऑफ इफ एंड बट. Okay, I need to think and all. I need to take some kind of R&D and all. Then only I can think that whether I wanted to go in product management or they are having the vision that in upcoming 4 to 5 months or 6 months, I just need to be a product manager. I just need to be a desperate job, whether I'm pursuing, whether I'm qualified or whether I'm working professional. Average salary of a product manager for a fresher is 9 to 12 between. For a fresher, I'm just telling, if someone is working professional, having the big degrees, he or she can get above that also, like 15, 20, 25, 20, 30, 45, XYZ they can get. So this is the core which I'm just telling you right now. Average is 9 to 12 for a fresher only, okay? And guys, I just wanted to show the job portal also, guys. Okay, so you will get a complete clarity, because I always talk on numbers actually, guys. Okay, we are having our own job portal in complete panel. No one is having their own job portal. You can just see that we are having our own job portal. Around 6 lakhs plus recruiters are connected completely worldwide. Okay, and in core management consultant domain, product management domain, completely 42,000 plus recruiters worldwide connected, directly hiring from. So this is how the things are going to work for you, and this is how the things are completely going to process for you. Okay, and these are the number of testimonials, how they have got a job, how they're getting a placements in a top rapid firm, only on the basis of the practical oriented knowledge, guys. Okay, no one can provide a job without having any kind of practical oriented knowledge. Okay, so let me show you some student feedback.
Divyanshi, my name is Harshad. Can you just let me know a little bit about your background? What was your education looks like?
Yeah, sure. So, like, first of all, I did my engineering in IT, information technology, data scientist in my previous company. So, but I was also like, managing the product in my company along with working as a data scientist. But, it was not a full-time product role, right? So
So I had the digital marketing team at the JobAj Pro. Okay. So Shreya, since you got placed in your company recently, so can you tell me more about like in which company you got placed and like how JobAj actually helped you to nourish yourself and how you can actually like prepare your resume to building your LinkedIn profile to, finding your like the job which is actually relatable to you. So can you just explain me the journey throughout from starting to the end?
Okay, so firstly, I think platforms like JobAj are extremely important to students like us because it not only provides us a platform to showcase ourselves in the best possible ways, but it also helps us connect to people in the most authentic ways possible. Me, as someone who has been from a computer science background, I have always loved exploring various arenas one after the other, just trying to find my feet into what sort of engineering, or is it even engineering that I am interested in. So my journey started with doing multiple internships, with doing freelancing, from content writing to software development to Swift
So
coding.
guys, you can just see that ample of interviews I am having right now, number of feedbacks I am having right now, how they have got a job only on the basis of the practical knowledge right now. This is my guidance to you also. If we are giving our 100%, we are expecting from you also. Okay. And this is my most important suggestion to all of you, that ask 10 times to the trainer, 1,000 times to the trainer, they are completely going to answer you each and everything. Okay. Completely going to answer you each and everything. So no need to worry about anything. Okay, and for 24/7 support, there will be a Discord community where you will be connected your 40 batchmates and your train. So 24/7 discussions there will be also available. And separately, if you guys wanted to schedule a one-to-one session with the trainer, you can schedule that also. So completely a habit model training will be there. Okay, and otherwise model concept, live session, everything's completely going to be done in a core structure manner. Okay, so nothing is going to be left in that condition, guys. Okay, your vision should be cleared. Okay, कि sir मैं working hack चाहिए at any cost, that is completely going to be assured in that. Sir, I'm fresher, I need to get a job at day. The clarity should be like that. It's not like that, okay, I need to think and all, I'm having busy work and all. Guys, I completely don't want that kind of a candidate. I completely want ki, sir, I'm not asking to give you 5 hours in a day. I'm only asking if you are able to give 3 to 4 hours per week, not per day. I'm only asking 3 to 4 hours per week, not even per day. This is my most important requirement from you guys only. Okay. And average salary for a fresher, I already told you 9 to 12 is completely going to be assured you. If you're working professional, already having some kind of package, you can get above that also. Like 15, 20, 25, 30 XYZ, you can get that. Okay. So this is how the things are going to work. And again, I'm reminding guys, 35 only we are going to take, not more than that, as I promised with each and every. Okay, so the pricing of this particular training is 25,000 rupees. But in starting, I told you one name, Ishan Group of Institution, which is certified from Government of India. They have allowed to provide the scholarship for 30 seconds only. So they have shared one coupon code to us. After applying the coupon code, the pricing is going to be changed. Duration, I already told you. Sharvari, duration you can divide in 3 to 4 months, 4 to 5 months, completely depend upon you for the completion. So no need to worry. Okay, so guys, they have shared one coupon code to us. After applying the coupon code, the pricing is going to be changed, but that coupon is only valid for the given seats only. Okay, if all these given seats get booked after disclosing the coupon code, kindly don't request to me, sir, take me and I'm not gonna take anyone else. Okay, I'm not gonna take anyone else because many candidates are waiting for the scholarship from last 2 to 3 months, so I cannot able to provide, okay, separately to anyone. Okay, so please apply it accordingly and don't need to miss out this opportunity if you are needy, dedicated, and having some vision about your career in upcoming 4 to 5 months. Please, I'm reminding to each and everyone, guys. Okay, so guys, क्या expectation लग रही है आपको? What kind of a pricing you guys are expecting after applying the coupon code? Please tell me on a chat box right now. What kind of expectations you are having? Please tell me on a chat box right now. What kind of pricing you guys are expecting after applying the coupon code? 15,000, 15,000, 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, 20,000, 15,000, 15,000, 20,000, 20,000, 15,000, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, 15,000, 15,000, 12,000, 12,000, 15,000, 7,000, 15,000, 15,000, 12,000, 15,000, 15,000, 12,000. Guys, the pricing is completely going to blow my mind. Okay, Lakshya 2024 is a coupon code, and you are getting this wonderful job-oriented, 100% placement-oriented program in just 7,000 plus 18% GST, guys. Okay, in just 7,000 plus 18% GST, this wonderful job-oriented, 100% placement-oriented program will be yours. Okay, if the funds are available, you can go with the one-shot payment. If the funds are not available, don't need to worry. Book your seat with only 1,100 right now. Okay, if the funds are available, you guys can go with the one-shot payment. If the funds are not available, book your seat with only 1,100 right now. Okay, again I'm reminding guys. Okay, अगर funds available है, आप one-shot payment के साथ जा सकते हो. अगर funds available नहीं है, you can book your seat with only 1,100 right now. ठीक है, booking amount आपका total fees में included है, so no need to worry about that. Okay, booking amount will be included in the total fees, so no need to worry. Okay, you can go with 1,100 also, but if the funds are available, you can go with the one-shot payment also, so no need to worry about that. Okay, yeah, and guys, again I'm reminding, don't need to worry about that. This coupon code is only for this particular candidates. If all the seats get booked, kindly don't request to me, sir, take me. I'm not going to help anyone. Okay, so please apply it accordingly. Okay, later on I cannot help anyone. Okay, yes, Vivek, you need to book right now only. Okay, later on I cannot help anyone. Okay, guys, you can just see that live users count in right side bottom. You can just see that 150 plus candidates are on a live page right now. Those who wanted to apply for the coupon code and wanted to avail the training, 150, 180 plus right now. 180 plus candidates are on a live page right now. Those who wanted to apply for the coupon code and wanted to avail this wonderful practical oriented, 100% placement oriented training. So please, now 200 approximately candidates are on a live page right now. Those who wanted to apply for the training and wanted to avail it at any cost right now. So please apply it accordingly. 208 plus candidates are here right now. Now please apply it accordingly, guys. Later on, I'm requesting to each and everyone. I'm not going to help anyone. Okay, so please apply it accordingly. Already told you, Akash, the placement is 100% included in that, so no need to worry about that condition. Okay. 215 plus candidates are on a live page right now, guys. So please apply it accordingly. Okay, so no need to worry. And guys, I just wanted to ask to each and everyone, the most important question to ask to each and everyone, how many of you are in a processing mode? Please tell me on a chat box right now. How many of you are in a processing mode? Please tell me on a chat box right now. How many of you are in a processing mode? Please tell me on a chat box right now. How many of you are in a processing mode? Sir, processing, me, myself, processing, me, myself. Sir, I just completed. Sir, processing, completed. Guys, after disclosing the coupon code, within 2 minutes, 11 candidates have been completed right now. Within 2 minutes of disclosing right now, 11 candidates have been completed. Guys, as I already told you, those who are having the clear vision about their future, those who are having the clear mindset about their future, they are not going to miss this opportunity. Within a 2 minutes of disclosing the coupon code, 11 candidates have been completed right now, because I completely understand. जिनका vision clear है, जिनका mindset clear है कि सर मुझे job चाहिए at any cost right now. I'm not having enough time to waste. Okay, I already wasted a couple of years, couple of months, okay, for deciding and all. I cannot waste a single penny of time. The market is very much competitive. I need to grab the expertise right now, and I need to grab a job at any cost right now in upcoming 4 to 5 months. So they have processed in just a couple of minutes only. Okay, within 2 minutes of disclosing the coupon code, 11 candidates have been completed, and approximately many candidates are in a processing mode. So please apply it accordingly, guys. Okay, again I'm reminding, I'm not going to help anyone if my all given seats get booked. So please process out it accordingly. Okay. Yeah, you can go with the one-shot payment also. Yeah, Anirudh, you can go with the one-shot payment also. Okay. Please process out accordingly. Got it. Seat booking. Okay. Sombya booked. Okay. Ronak booked. Okay. Yes, Toto already told you the placement is completely going to be included end to end in that. Okay, so placement is completely going to be a part of that. Okay, Rohan booked okay, sir. I am processing mode. Okay, Sujata, please process out accordingly. Whoever is in a processing mode, kindly go ahead fast. 17 seats have been completed right now. 17 seats have been completed right now. Okay. I was just thinking it will take more than 20 minutes, but I don't think it will take more than 10 minutes, guys. Okay. So please process out it accordingly. Soumya Priya booked okay. Kalyani Chaudhary booked okay. I have done right now. Rajiv booked okay. Naina Bajaj booked okay. Rohan booked okay. Manisha Deol booked okay. Vikram Datta, Aditi Gajjar, Rishi Hanuman, Rohan Jaiswal, Anjali Kapoor, Amit Khan, and Ria Lal. Okay, great. Very much welcome. Anurag Jha booked okay. Great. Very much welcome, Anurag, to this batch. Vikram booked okay. Yes, placement process completely going to start according to you guys, so no need to worry about that condition. Okay, those who are looking for hike, so hike is completely going to work accordingly. Those who are looking for a fresher job, they are completely going to work accordingly, so no need to worry. Gokul booked okay. And guys, I forgot to disclose one important thing: the generative AI, artificial intelligence, which is having the separate worth of 25,000 rupees. This also completely going to be included in that. Okay, Akash, after the completion within a 1 or 2 month, the placement will completely going to take place. So no need to worry about that. Okay, 1 to 2 month maximum. Yeah. So generative AI, which is having a separate worth of, okay, which is having a separate worth of 25,000 rupees, that also completely going to provide free of cost in that. Okay, generative artificial intelligence, which is having a separate worth of 25,000 rupees, that also we have included free of cost in that. So guys, we completely don't want any kind of a loophole. And you can just see that, guys, okay, well qualified trainers you guys are having right now, structured content you guys are having right now. Okay, so nothing is going to be hampered in that. Okay, nothing is going to be hampered in that. Okay, I have done. I have done okay. Yes, assignments and all completely going to provide in that. Okay, yeah, completely end-to-end assignment, because we just need to judge you. Okay, yes, Akash, that is completely going to be there. Okay, we have not mentioned that. That is completely going to be included there. So guys, what exactly I'm just saying, assignments, capstone projects, of course, will be there to judge you that how much you have completed, how the things are complete you have done right now, what kind of mistakes you are doing. Everything will be counted in that. Okay, 23 seats have been right now, guys. Okay, 23. Okay, thus, yeah, 23 seats have been done right now. So please process out it accordingly. Okay, please process out it accordingly. I am not gonna help anyone else. Okay, if my all given seats get booked, please process out it accordingly. Okay, I have booked the seat. Okay, so please wait for me. I am processing mode. Yeah, don't need to panic. Don't need to panic, because don't need to panic. The seats are there right now. So don't need to panic. The seats are there. You can just go ahead with that. So no need to worry. I have done okay. Got it. Seat booking done. Okay. I have done. I have completed now. Okay, got it. Just completed. Sir, wait for me. I'm processing. Okay, yeah, you can process out. Don't need to panic. Sir, wait for me. Yeah, you can just process out. Ankita, 1100 you can pay right now. Rest amount you can pay later on. That doesn't matter. Priority is to book your seat. Rest amount you guys can pay after the orientation, not right now. Most important priority is to book your seat only. Okay. If you guys are having the funds, you can go with the one shot payment. If the funds are not available, you can book your seat with only 1100 right now. So please process out it accordingly. Okay, please process out it accordingly. Whoever is in a processing mode, so please process out it accordingly. And you can just see that 237 candidates are on a page right now. Still, those who are processing and availing or wanted to avail the opportunity. Okay, I have just completed. Okay, great, very much welcome. Whether you will get that on your mail, so no need to worry, guys. If we are not able to take all the names, please check your mailbox. You must have received the payment receipt over there. Okay. If we are not able to take all the names, please check your mailbox. You must have received the payment receipt over there. Okay. Please check your payment receipt over there. Done right now. Got it. Ankita Kumbre booked. Okay. Sujata, that will be adjusted in the total amount. So no need to worry about that. Okay. So no need to worry. Nikhil booked okay. Sujay booked okay. Great. Very much welcome. So no need to worry. Gokul booked okay. Yeah, Gokul, your seat is already booked. I have already checked from my side. Completed right now. Yeah, that will be counted in total amount. Okay, that will be counted. That will be counted in a total. Nathan, no need to worry. That will be counted in a total amount. Means 7,000 plus 18% GST means 8260. 1100 you have paid right now. 7160 is the available amount which you need to pay after the orientation, not right now. Again, I am reminding to all of you. 7,000 plus 18% GST hota hai 8260. 1100 you have paid. 7160 is the left amount which you can pay after the orientation. Okay, simple thing is that only. Okay, so no need to worry about that. I have done okay. So I have booked the 1100. It will be 7,000 plus 18% GST. Soumya means 8260. 1100 you paid. Remaining something 7160 is the remaining amount. Okay. Yeah. Okay. 27 seats have been in right now, guys. 27 seats have been in right now. Okay. 27 seats have been in right now. Stuti Sharma booked okay. Great. Very much welcome, Stuti. Very much welcome to this batch. I have done the booking. Okay. Got it. Great, guys. Great. Very much welcome to this batch. The journey is completely going to be next level for all of you. You guys are completely going to enjoy the modules, capstone projects, real data working project, each and everything. You guys are completely going to enjoy in a core systematic manner. Okay. So completely a hybrid model training in that including. Done right now. Okay, got it. So guys, just couple of seats are left right now. Please process out it accordingly. Okay. Sai Kishore, that you will get on your mail, so no need to worry. Yeah, actually, Ankita, the thing is that we target particular practical oriented things only, and accordingly we are working and accordingly we are placing right now. So this is how we are processing and this is how we are placing the candidates. Okay. So my suggestion to you is that whatever we are guiding, whatever we are focusing on, just focus on that, and any cost just you will grab the placement opportunity in that. Okay. So no need to worry. My suggestion is that only to you. Okay. Whatever we are guiding, whatever we are just teaching you right now, just grab it at any cost right now. And guys, ask 10 times to the trainer, 100 times to the trainer, 1,000 times to the trainer. Don't be shy for asking any kind of a doubts related to anything. Okay. The trainers are completely with you. They are completely going to answer all your queries, whatever you guys are having right now. Okay. So don't be shy for asking anything. Okay. 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 So please process out it accordingly. Don't need to worry about that. I have completed. And guys, remove all kind of FM, but those who are still in, those who are still are having the mindset now, okay, should I do or not? I need to manage my time. I need to think about that. I need to have some priorities and all. Guys, complete lifetime priorities are not going to over. That's a complete truth which I'm just telling you right now. Okay, पढ़ाई आपकी कभी खत्म नहीं होगी, जॉब आपकी कभी खत्म नहीं होगी, फैमिली इश्यूज आपके कभी खत्म नहीं होंगे. The matter is that what exactly you guys are doing. Okay, are you preparing yourself for future or not? That is the most important condition. अभी 4 साल मेहनत कर ली, 2 साल मेहनत कर ली, आगे के 40 साल आप कर लेंगे. नहीं तो अभी आपने वो सोच लिया कि ओके कर लूंगा, अभी तो बहुत टाइम है, आई एम स्टिल हैविंग टाइम, आई कैन जस्ट डिसाइड समथिंग एल्स, आई कैन डू सम काइंड ऑफ अ ट्रेनिंग, यूट्यूब से पढ़ लूंगा मैं. ओके, and I can grab a job at any cost right now. You will get a job. The thing is, I'm not saying that you will not get a job if you're not doing this training. You will get a job, but the thing is that when you will get, the condition is that only. Okay, time is having the value. मैंने आपको समय दिया है, टाइम पैसा दिया है, समय दिया, बात बराबर ही है. तो the thing is that only. So please think twice and process accordingly. Already told you somewhere the 100% placement is included. Guys, 31 seats have been completed right now. 31 seats have been completed right now. So please process out it accordingly. 31 seats have been completed right now. And yeah, on Tuesday, there will be the orientation of your batch, guys. On Tuesday, there will be the orientation of your batch. Okay, on upcoming Tuesday, there will be the orientation of your batch. In that orientation, Everything is completely going to be guided you, that how you need to process out, how the things are going to work. Everything is completely going to be guided in that orientation. So no need to worry about that condition, guys. Okay. In upcoming Tuesday, there will be the orientation batch. Timings will be updated in that. Timings will be after the working hour. So no need to worry. Okay. 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. something will be the timing. So no need to worry about that. Okay. In orientation, everything is completely going to be guided you. So no need to worry about that. Okay. So no need to worry about that. So what exactly I'm guiding to all of you is that just focus on the training, enjoy the program. And guys, by tomorrow or day after tomorrow, you guys will be added in a WhatsApp group. There you will get the update regarding the orientation timings. Orientation will be on Tuesday. It can be 9 p.m. or 8 p.m. That will be confirmed in the group when you will be added in that. Okay. When you will be added in that, that's completely going to be confirmed. So no need to worry about that condition also, guys. Okay. Just completed. Okay, got it. Seat booking done. Yeah, still seats are there. You can go ahead with that. So no need to worry about that. Done right now. Pankaj booked. Okay, Pankaj, I cannot see your name. Pankaj, your name is not visible to me, Pankaj. So please check from your side whether your seat is booked or not. I cannot see your name, Pankaj. Might be some technical glitch from your side, but I cannot able to see your name, Pankaj. Okay. Brahman, Pankaj is not booked. I have checked from my side. Okay. Shubhangi Pandey booked. Okay. And guys, as I promised with all of you that max 40 I'm going to take right now. As I promised with all of you, 34 out of 40 has been booked right now. As I promised with all of you that max 40 I'm going to take right now. So 34 out of 40 has been booked right now. As I promised with all of you that max 40 I'm going to take, 34 out of 40 has been booked right now. So guys, great. Very much welcome to this batch. The journey is completely going to be next level. You guys are completely going to enjoy the modules, capstone project assignment, daily working projects, capstone project, each and everything. You guys are completely going to enjoy, and that so nothing is going to be left in that condition, guys. Okay, the journey is completely next level for all of you. Okay, again, I'm guiding to all of you guys. The journey is completely going to exceptional next level, where you will enjoy the content, model-wise concept, model-wise real-time working projects. Each and everything is completely going to be done in a course systematic manner. So my guidance to all of you that just focus on the training, enjoy the program, and have a great day, all of you. Still 3 to 4 seats are left. Whoever is in a processing mode, kindly process out. Don't delay with that. Okay, and grab this opportunity and get into a top rapid management consultant firm with a different job roles: business consultant, management consultant, product manager. Different job roles are completely waiting for you. The mindset is that just focus on the practical oriented modules, which you are completely getting in this, and well qualified trainers you are already having, so they are completely with you 24/7. Okay, so nothing is to be left in that condition, guys. Okay, so guys, thank you so much. Have a great day. Let's meet in the orientation. Anurag already told you 3 to 4 months will be the duration, and let's meet in the orientation. Okay, in orientation, all kind of a doubts will be cleared, that how we need to complete the training, how the process is going to work. Everything is completely going to be guided in that orientation. Okay, so nothing is going to be left in that condition, guys. Okay, so enjoy the training, enjoy the program. Have a great day, all of you, and it's completely going to be a wonderful training, all of you guys. Okay, and let's meet in orientation. By tomorrow you guys will be added in a WhatsApp group. Timing will be updated in the for the orientation as soon as possible, and orientation day is confirmed. That will be on Tuesday. Timing will be, it can be 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. Okay, so thank you so much. Have a great day. 36 seats have been completed. Only 4 seats are left. So whoever is in a processing mode, kindly process out. Don't delay with that, guys. Okay, so thank you so much. Have a great day. Enjoy the training, enjoy the program, and have a great day, all of you. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.